Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to enable or disable GPU adaptive C state on the Alienware Aurora 16 laptop. To do that, we need to enter the BIOS menu. Shut down your computer entirely, then short press the power button to launch it. While it's launching, repeatedly click the F2 key until you see the BIOS menu dashboard. On this dashboard, switch on the advanced setup by toggling it in the top left corner. Then select Performance. In Performance, enable or disable adaptive C states for discrete graphics by switching the toggle next to that option. Click Apply Changes once done, then click OK. To exit this menu, either press the Escape key on your keyboard or click Exit in the bottom right corner. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.